In today's dynamic economy, having multiple streams of income has become more important than ever. Whether you want to boost your savings, pay off debts, or simply have some extra cash for the finer things in life, a side hustle can be a game changer. As we step into 2023, the landscape for side hustles is evolving rapidly, with new opportunities emerging. In this video, we'll explore 10 profitable side hustle ideas for 2023 that can help you achieve your financial goals. Let's get started the video. 10 profitable side hustle ideas for 2023. Number 10. Freelance writing and content creation. In an age where content is king, there's a growing demand for freelance writers and content creators. If you have a way with words, consider turning your writing skills into a profitable side hustle. You can write blog posts, articles, website content, or even e-books for clients. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a plethora of opportunities to get started. As businesses continue to focus on their online presence, this side hustle is expected to thrive in 2023. Number 9. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce remains a hotbed of opportunity for side hustlers. With the rise of platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, it has never been easier to start an online store and sell products. Dropshipping, in particular, is gaining traction as a low-risk way to enter the e-commerce arena. You can find suppliers, list their products in your store, and fulfill orders without ever handling inventory. 2023 is likely to see continued growth in e-commerce, making it an attractive side hustle option. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. With the right niche and marketing strategy, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative side hustle. You can join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale and promote products through your website, blog, or social media. As more businesses adopt affiliate programs, this side hustle is set to thrive in 2023. Number 7. Online coaching and consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can turn it into a profitable side hustle by offering online coaching or consulting services. Whether it's business, fitness, life coaching, or any other niche, people are willing to pay for guidance and expertise. Use platforms like Zoom, Skype, or even email to connect with clients and provide valuable insights. As the demand for personalized guidance continues to grow, online coaching and consulting will remain a lucrative side hustle in 2023. Number 6. App development and software development. If you have coding skills, you can capitalize on the demand for mobile apps and software solutions. Create your own apps and sell them on app stores, or offer custom development services to businesses and individuals. The tech industry is constantly evolving, and there's a perpetual need for skilled developers. As more industries digitalize their operations, the opportunities for app and software development are expected to expand in 2023. Number 5. Social media management. With businesses seeking to establish a strong online presence, social media management is in high demand. If you're savvy with platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, consider offering your services to businesses looking to enhance their social media marketing efforts. You can create content, schedule posts, engage with followers, and analyze performance. As the importance of social media marketing continues to grow, this side hustle will remain profitable in 2023. Number 4. Photography and videography. If you have a passion for photography or videography, you can turn it into a lucrative side hustle. Offer your services for events, weddings, real estate, or even stock photography and videography. High-quality visual content is in constant demand for websites, social media, and marketing materials. As businesses and individuals seek to capture memorable moments and create compelling visuals, the photography and videography side hustle will flourish in 2023. Number 3. Digital marketing services. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of services, including search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, and more. If you have expertise in any of these areas, you can provide digital marketing services to businesses looking to boost their online presence and reach. As the digital landscape evolves, the demand for skilled digital marketers is expected to remain robust in 2023. Number 2. Online tutoring and e-learning. With the rise of remote learning and the need for educational support, online tutoring and e-learning platforms are booming. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, you can offer online tutoring services. Alternatively, create your own e-learning courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. As the demand for flexible and accessible education grows, this side hustle is poised for success in 2023. Number 1. Real estate investing. Real estate has long been a tried and true avenue for generating passive income, and it continues to be a profitable side hustle in 2023. While it may require a significant initial investment, you can generate rental income from properties or profit from property appreciation. Real estate crowdfunding platforms also offer opportunities to invest in real estate with smaller capital. As property markets fluctuate, real estate investing remains a reliable source of additional income. 2023 presents a wealth of opportunities for those looking to start profitable side hustles. Whether you possess writing skills, coding expertise, a creative eye, or specialized knowledge, there's a side hustle that can align with your strengths and interests. By tapping into these 10 profitable side hustle ideas, you can embark on a journey to financial independence and achieve your monetary goals in the year ahead. Remember, success in any side hustle requires dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to continuous improvement. So, choose the one that resonates with you, take the plunge, and make 2023 the year of your thriving side hustle. For more videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.